very lucky to have the property manager.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Giro Solatorio. Okay. So actually, this is our second time here.
Welcome you back, sir.
Kaya nga, we fell in love no sa lugar, no. And as far as we could remember, that was the time na pagbago pala ka mo nag-open.
Correct.
And
after COVID.
Yes, so after some COVID
when nag-start na mag-open ang kanilang establishments.
And we were looking for a place na mabalog daw safe, tapos exclusive, because everybody knows na after post-pandemic, ang tanan daw very careful, and we are all looking for a place na maka-unwind at the same time safe and muna bala, no?
Yeah.
So, and while searching, and we're very lucky, no, na nakita namon ang Manami, because Manami, even before it opened, grabe ang anticipation sa mga tao, no?
Yes.
Grabe gid, no? And I believe how many years din ang pag-build sang resort dugay man.
Groundbreaking 5 years before na 2020 2018 siya na groundbreaking, pero amo na naabtan siya pandemic, so gin-extend na lang.
Okay.
And then we had to open gid sang 2023.
Yes. And timing gid to siya, and that's why na when we visited your resort last year, no?
Last year lang.
Yes.
Early. One of the first
yes, and
families and one of the first vloggers din, sir.
That's why na our views reach as mga 30,000, I think. And hopefully this second vlog will reach more than 30,000. So for us, and especially for my family, the reason why we went back, because we fell in love, of course, the place, obviously, no? Though if why pa kamo ka visit, I mean like though every angle, though
every nook and cranny, dugin planuhan.
Yes, oo. Though pang Instagram gid tanan-tanan. Don't think agad bla matak answer to think na this is our second time. And yet, kada pag-abot na mo, do first time.
Yes, kaya pagit pa bago.
Yes. And because of that, no, we fell in love sa place, ang design and everything, architecture,
and the service.
And ang details, no? And always a first vlog tayo, always kinabalik-balik ta. Second is, of course, the service.
Thank you, sir.
Always gidya, inabalang, gasaga istorya kami diya last night ni Mrs. And may gin-anticipate nyo permi ba lang?
Very attentive kamo with the needs ng inyong mga guests.
Yes, and
especially sa mga kids.
Isa tanan mo na siya. Usually for other resorts, you could have a good place. And what makes you distinct, of course, it will be ang inyong gid service, ang top gid nyo mapabatcheck sa atin.
Yes, so. And lastly, of course, ang pinaka one of ginabalik-balikan namon man di is the food. So I think because of those three reasons muna nagbalik kami di. And ka-timing man because Christmas, so that's why we are decided to spend our Christmas here. Anyway, so anong mga plans, sir, sang Manami in future plans?
Of course, next year we're targeting February, we'll be opening 2 new rooms.
Okay.
Amon pagid 2 bedroom, duha pagid ka 2 bedroom amon i-open. So it will be near our parang mayar na kami 4th cluster. Lapit ni siya sa spa.
Okay.
So high demand gid per may amon 2 bedroom. So sa akon para sa akin it'll have the best view.
Okay.
Sang bilog nga Manami.
I heard muna sa pinakatap,
lapit na sa helipad.
Okay.
Medyo taas lang siya pero best view. Igo gid sang sea, sunset, and then mayara kapagid ang iyang diri nga mountainside.
So do 360 ang effect niya?
Yes, mayara. Lapit 360, hindi siya 360, 180.
180 siya.
And pero taas na siya.
Okay, that's good. And what else? I also learned na on the same that upcoming new villa, may ara siya sang swimming pool.
Yes, may outdoor pool siya, the same as with our 2-bedroom.
Okay.
May siya receiving area, dining and living room. And then may ara mo siya iya-own private nga pool sa ko.
Okay.
Then area butangan pagid namon garden nga pag sina may mini garden sa ko.
Okay.
Para at least kung pwede nyo kwaon ang 2 ka rooms, May, let's say, or a family of 8 or 2
So,
families,
oh.
pwede nyo siya makuha.
Ay, that's good.
May in-between ka mga alagyan.
So that's good.
Ah.
And then the pool, more or less, may pool man for
Partition
kids.
siya. Yes. 2 separate pools siya. Why siya naman kin-adjoin.
Ay, okay.
Ah.
So that's nice, no? Na hopefully we can
Pagdason niya siya, actually una, pagdason niyo balik, siguro sure ba? Dito ta ka mo sa
sure.
Tubet.
Matapos siya by
February
next
Ah.
year.
next year.
Okay, that's nagdasig pa nagali. So timing lang for summer.
Yes, timing it's just amo na
Ah.
hit niyo for summer. And then para ban sa mon second anniversary.
Okay.
Para ma-pre-sell
Okay.
siya namon and then open. So by
Because for FYI sa iban way pa di kakagto. For us, nag-enjoy kami, no? So mga activities di sa Manami, atong exploring the cave, Bat Cave, nag-enjoy mga kabataan. And then kahapon we have amutong
boat tour,
island hopping. And again, it was very exciting kag memorable. Yeah, for the kids, no? And it's very safe. No, para sa especially may mga toddlers ta, pag may very safe.
So, before mo na gina-worry namon maniko sa mga like mga island hopping activities nga mag-ride sa boat, but it was
Ala.
very secure.
Kanami sa inyo staff.
Sure, how was the food?
Yes, the food. Oo. Okay, good.
Yesterday kay do I think ang isa niyo ka best seller was a chicken inasal.
Yeah.
Yeah, unique.
May argit siya twist to it.
Oh, kung gaplan ka mo, ang isa sa atong favorite tong chicken and sal. And then ang ila cake na bibingka, ang for dessert.
Ang queso bibingka.
Yes, oo.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, nami man.
Must try na.
Ano pag atong ila kang tong steak?
Kag ang ang fileto.
Ha? Careful with that. Ang
Fileto.
yeah, nami man to siya.
Highly recommended man na.
That's why na kung ari ka mo din, you're planning to visit, mangkoton nyo ang mga waiters kay they usually di pan mayo
Recommend.
and then so for this for next year ano pang mga plan activities nyo, sir? Like I heard you're planning to have a dive.
Yes, for the diving, we're just finalizing. Brand new nga mga equipment from BCD, regulators, tanks.
That's good.
And then we'll be training we'll have an instructor on board.
Okay.
Para at least, and then may kamaman para at least may diving kami nga idukan.
Because si Palay is also known for good nga maayo na diving site, di ba?
Yes.
So it's unfortunate kung wala sang activity for diving. And I heard also yesterday while doing our island hopping, damo na ko na threatened with that because joking aside, naihan na lang ko mabilin sa ilak may diving pagitang Manami.
But at least ang sa akon, sir, it will be elevating Sipalay. And then, of course, sa Negros may arata. So, amo gina kadtuan.
Ining ang way pakakagtud kuan gid ang ila experience. Lain gid no, every time
We
magkagkamudyo
make
ka
it worth it, sir. Ko ano miskan
kaya kalayo pa na daan. Pero pag abot mo dito madula ang kapoy mo, no? Sige. So ano pa? So I think it's a privilege man na very accommodating. Lastly, mo lang namian man namo ni Mrs. because accommodating sa inyo. Even you, I know ka busy sa imo, and yet for us na mga hindi man kami mula ka vlogger, but yet you took the time to be with us.
Ang bako kamo pisas pin. Oh, sila ni pin. Oh, welcome back.
So for damo man nagabalik, sir, no?
Yes,
Okay. So that's why na so hindi lang kami nanamian sang inyo.
Yes, Namgid yung balik-balik.
What can you say about your experience here? Your second time? It was your second time?
Excellent.
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 So,
Thank you.
thank you. Okay, so thank you.
Sir, thank you, good.
Sir, Jiro, thank you.